Hi, second grade, it's Miss Taylor. I wanted to remind you what the dynamic stations look like before you did them today. There are 4 stations. Last time in class you did 1 station. You're going to do the other 3 stations today. You will not do the station you did last time. Here are what the stations look like. Station 1 is the label worksheet. The label worksheet looked like this. Draw a picture of each symbol that is listed, and you are to draw the symbol for each one of these vocabulary words. There's several places in the music classroom where you can get this information. Ask the people in your group. The other side of this was this. Write the name of the symbol in the blank. You're given the symbol and you're going to write the name. Now you can use the back of your sheet to get the name and the symbol so you can help yourself out. Station 2 is the computer station. You have 2 jobs at the computer station. And if you were at the computer station last time, you will not be at the computer station this time. Your first thing is to complete dynamic dynos 1 time. Then you're to look in the second grade folder and do the match game 2 times. This is what it looks like. Remember, you're going to click on dynamic dynos, and when you open it, it looks like this. Now, here's a trick. To get to the beginning of the game, you need to be on page 3. Here's the number at the top of the screen. You can either press down to 1, 2, 3, where this is a 3, and it starts the game, or you can use the arrows on your keyboard to go back and forth, up and down, to change to page 3. If it's really, really big, you've changed the size. There's plus and minus buttons up here at the top. You can go ahead and press the minus button and it'll go back down. Go ahead and read the definition. Choose the correct answer, and remember that the computers are touchscreen, so you can just touch the purple dinosaur. When you're done with this, you do it 1 time. You'll go back into the folder and go to match the dynamics. You're going to do this game 2 times. It loads up. You press begin. You press OK. It has 30 seconds. And you drag the definition to the word. So here it says piano. I'm going to take soft and drag it over. Because it's touchscreen, you can go ahead and use your finger and touch the definition and drag it on over. Once you're all the way done, press mark answers and it'll tell you how many you got right. You can play this game 2 times. Once you've played Dino once and this 2 times, you need to move on to the next station. Station number 3 was Crescendo and Decrescendo worksheets. Those looked like these. So you are to complete with the right symbol and draw that in. The other side of the worksheet looked like this. Remember, this one had more than 1 right answer. What is less than fortissimo? A lot of things can go in this one right here. Your 4th station is in the back of the room, page 242 in your book, Bate Bate. When you're there, turn to that speech piece, read it through. Go ahead and read it all piano soft. Then go ahead and read it all forte loud. Then choose 1 line and do piano and 1 line and do forte. Maybe part of the group wants to do piano and part of the group wants to do forte, and you trade back and forth. But use it and speak it several times using different dynamics. Maybe you want to start soft and end up loud, and that would be a crescendo. Maybe you want to start loud and end up soft, and that would be a decrescendo. Once you're done with that, then you can move on. I know we're all going to want to do computers today, but we all can't start at computers today. Be patient. If people are at the computer station, find another station you have not been to, Get started on that first, and when a computer opens up and you're done at your station, then you may head over. When you're done with the worksheets, it goes into the folder of done worksheets, and make sure to clean up at the end of class. If you get through all 4 dynamic stations, there will be a tub of biographies of composers that you may sit and read silently. Please take care of these books, as these are my personal books. Make sure to leave everything nice and neat, be respectful to one another, and I will see you guys on Friday.